Come on over to my place tonight. The furniture's custom, but the vibes ain't quite right. My hobbies are weird, yeah, that much is true. But I promise the evening will stick with you. Don't mind the clutter, don't touch the walls. My crafts are hanging in the halls. I'm just a bachelor, what can I say? Martha Stewart might not approve my way, so call me